Hey everyone, thank you for taking the time to hang out with me today. If you're new here, my name is Blake. I'm a 30-year-old nurse, personal finance enthusiast, cash budgeter, and owner of a little shop on Etsy called WalletWell, where I make cash budgeting supplies and accessories to make your savings journey a little more fun. So welcome back to Mini Mondays. I'm super excited about this video. As you can see, my setup has changed a little bit over here. I'm super excited. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen a little unboxing of this already, but this is my first official Mini Mondays video with my new binder and setup from Melina over at the Millennial Dollar. Hey Melina, thank you again so much for your products and your style and just everything. It's amazing. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. So quickly here, again, if you're new here, if you're not, you already know this, but in Canada, we don't have $1 bills, so I do my Mini Mondays with $5 bills. So this week, again, we're stuffing $50 worth of $5 bills into my Mini Mondays challenges. We'll do a quick cash count for you now. So we've got 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, $50. Gonna put that in my cash tray there. Also, if you guys were wondering, the cash trays that I use in my videos are made by my friend Cami over at BudgetByCami. She is on Instagram. She's always linked below as well. And she is a fellow Canadian cash budgeter, cash stuffer, and makes some awesome little products. So go ahead and check her out for sure. Let's go ahead and show you guys this new binder. So this is Melina's latest addition to her shop. So it's like a checkered, her classic checkered pattern in kind of like a PVC envelope with black hardware on the button, as well as on the inside. The rings and everything are matte black as well, which is just, everything feels amazing. It looks amazing. I'm obsessed with it. She also, we were talking one night and chatted about how I was going to make this checkered binder into my Mini Mondays binder. And we started chatting about dashboards, and she was so kind and she graciously designed and made this custom dashboard here for me for my Mini Mondays binder. So again, it's her classic checkered pattern. On the side, it just says Mini Mondays, and it's laminated, as well as it has this kind of shimmering iridescent lamination, which is absolutely stunning. I don't know if the camera is going to do it justice, but in person, it's incredible. And it's on the front and the back as well. So I'm so excited. I love this so much. Again, thank you, Melina. It really means the world. So let's go ahead and go right into our challenges. So I'm going to pop open my binder here. We're going to take out our challenges. We're still working on a few. So we have not completed Cooper's challenge yet, so we're going to use that one this week. Mini Moon is not completed yet. Mini Snack, Mini Money, and Mini Drink are still not completed. We did complete the Mini Bloom challenge last week. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this out. Going to remove this, put this aside for now. And I'm going to take another challenge here. Let's do Amanda's. So this is Amanda's challenge from SimplyBudgeted. It is a new era of me challenge. I picked this up when I placed an order from her a few weeks ago. I love this. It's super nice. Again, laminated, and it has that kind of iridescent shimmering lamination on it, if you can see. Super nice. So let's go ahead and use this challenge as our next Mini Mondays challenge. So we'll go ahead and throw that in there. Just going to move my binder out of the way right now, and we'll go ahead and arrange all this. All right, so we're all set up here and ready to play. So I'm just going to grab my dice here. So we're going to do, we have $50 in $5 bills, so that's 10 rolls, and we're going to go ahead and get started. So number 6 is going to get the first 5. Happy Monday, everybody. I hope you guys are off to a great week, a great start to your week. This is number 5, Mini Snack. I do really enjoy watching everybody's Mini Mondays and Tiny Tuesdays and everything. It just starts the week off right, you know? So we're going to add a 5 to number 1. Ooh, another one for number 6. Number 2. So we've already got one for Amanda's challenge. We still have yet to get anything for Cooper's and my mini money. Let's see how we do on the next roll. Another one for number 6. Number 3. Again, Cooper, you're trailing behind. Number 6. Number 6 is going to take all the cake, I think, this time. Number 3. All right, we've got one roll left. Let's see. Number 4. Cooper, you did it. You pulled it off. All right, let's go ahead and rearrange again and see what we can do with these challenges. Okay, so starting off with our number 1 challenge here. So this is Amanda's A New Era of Me challenge, and we have $5 this week for this challenge, and that's perfect. We have, I don't know if you can see that there, we do have some $5 icons, which is perfect. I'm just going to grab, let's see if I have a red. Grab my red pen here, and we're just going to make a little X through that 5. All right, first addition into that challenge. Set that aside. Moving on to the next challenge. So this is our mini drink challenge. And it looks like we're not going to be able to add anything to this challenge this time, because we've got an 8, we've got a 15, and a 12, and we've only got $5. So I think in the event when this happens, I don't know if this is a rule, if I'm just making this up on the fly, but I think what I'm going to do is just roll over this 5 to the next challenge, since I can't do anything with this one. Let's do that. I like that idea. All right, so next one, number 3, is our mini money challenge. So we've got $5, $10, $15 from this week. And let's see how much money we have left. So in this challenge, it looks like we've got 3 and 1 is $4 left to save to complete this challenge. So what I'm going to do is, again, making these rules up on the fly, I'm going to add $5. So we only need 4, but I'm going to round it up. So I'm going to add $5 to this challenge to complete it. So 5 is going to go in there. We're going to throw this in here to say that it's completed. I'm going to put that back here for now. And we're going to roll over these 5s to the next challenge. All right, so that brings us to Cooper's challenge. We should be able to get rid of some of these here. So we've got $15. Let's see what we have left here on Cooper's challenge. So there's quite a few different ones on here that I see will work. So we've got a New York for 15 and an Atlanta for 15. Let's do New York. It's probably one of my favorite series on The Real Housewives. The OG New York City for sure. So I'm going to go ahead and cross off 15. And we're going to add that to our challenge. All right, moving on. Our next envelope here is the mini snack challenge. And it looks like we've got a 12, a 15, a 3, a 10, a 7, and an 8. I've only got $5 to contribute, so let's go ahead and just do the $3 pizza here. And we'll just round up. Just since my Canadian bills don't really work super well with this challenge all the time, we're just gonna roll with the punches. All right. Last challenge is the Mini Moon Challenge. So we've got a lot of money here for this one. So we've got $5, $10, $15, $20. And let's see how much we need to save to finish this one. So we've got 6 and 4, which is 10, and 8 is 18, and 1 is 19. So $19 to complete the challenge, and 5, 10, and we've got 20. I think that's pretty great. That's pretty close. So we'll add 20. We'll complete this challenge. Color them in here. And the 4. All right. This is awesome. We've completed quite a few challenges actually now. So before I put everything back, let's go ahead and see what's completed and what challenges we might work on next time, next Mini Monday. All right, so currently these are all of the completed challenges that I have so far for Mini Mondays. So we took out our Mini Bloom and we added Amanda's challenge for that envelope. So we're going to say that that's completed. Mini Moon here. We're also going to throw that into our completed pile and get rid of this tracker. And Mini Money. This challenge is also completed. Get rid of that tracker and add this to our pile. So let's see how much money we've got here from our completed challenges. So we've got 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90. Wow, guys, we've got $90 from completed challenges. That's incredible. I'm super happy about that. I didn't think that we would have this much so far in completed challenges, so that's super exciting. So I think what I'm going to do with this is I think I have a zippered envelope here somewhere. Let me see. All right, so I did find this little black zippered pouch envelope that I had from like probably last year when I started my shop. I had a few different products that I've kind of like phased out and changed and whatnot, but I had a few of these left over. So I think what I'm going to do is use this in my Mini Mondays binder and put all of my completed $5 bills in here and just kind of stockpile them until I think that I need to do a condensing or whatnot, or take them back to the bank or put them into a different goal, a different savings goal. But for now, that's what we're going to do. So we'll go ahead and open this up. So it's just kind of like a clear front, but black PVC envelope. We're going to take our 5s and put them in here. It's perfect. Love the way that that looks. And we will add this back to my Mini Mondays binder. So we do have 2 envelopes that we need to add challenges to. So let's go take a quick peek to see what challenges we might be able to add for next week. So again, you guys have all seen this. It's my little envelope that I keep all of my extra challenges in. Let's see what we got here. Just to give you guys a quick preview here, feature a few different shops. So we've got some things from Amanda. We still have some challenges from Cooper. We still have all of the Mean Girls challenges as well. I have my own Taylor Swift challenges in here. I just got some new challenges from Angela over at Emzo Budgets, which I'm super obsessed with. Maybe we'll use one of these for Mini Mondays. And then I just got some amazing challenges from Melina over at the Millennial Dollar in my package that I got the new Mini Mondays binder in. So let's see. Let's pick. We'll do one from Angela. Maybe we'll do the You Matter challenge from Angela. And let's see. What do we want to do? Let's maybe add this golden jar challenge. This is from Little Potato Saver. She is a Canadian budgeter and has a little shop over on Etsy for different savings challenges and things. So let's add this to our goal, because it looks like there's a lot of 5s, 10s, 15s, 20s, which will work perfect for my $5 denominations. So let's go ahead and add this guy as well. We'll take the rest of these challenges, and for now we'll put them back. All right, so next week, this is what we're working on. We've got Angela's You Matter challenge and Little Potato Saver. And then we've got the other challenges that we have yet to complete. So that's 6 challenges total. We'll go ahead and throw these back into my Mini Mondays binder. So we'll move our dashboard there. I guess I still have an extra challenge here as well. But for now, we'll do this. I'm going to put the $5 bills at the back, just like that. I think that looks perfect. Put that there. And we'll take our challenges here and put those back in. Close it up. Dashboard. Oh, I just love that. It's awesome. All right. So that is it, guys, for Mini Monday. I hope you have a fantastic week ahead of you. Super excited to see all of your Mini Mondays pop up today. And I can't wait to comment below and chat with you guys. So leave me a comment below if you have any questions or you just want to say hi. Like this video if you thought that it was okay. And subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.